Okay, after I left you yesterday, I didn't like the way this looked. And I did do some, first, let me tell you. On the diamonds, I added with a paintbrush, and it's just a small paintbrush like this one. I added some, that was a brown Van Dyke. I added deep gold, and I added, where is it? I thought I brought it out, but I didn't. Oh, and some pearl gold, and I just dabbed it on top. I also added some of the pixie paint, the metallic paint. Hi Betty, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So I just dabbed it on here. And then this was bronze. We used the Pixie Dust metallic paint statuary. And I added a little bit of the blue diamond, a little bit of the gold. Where is it? This gold. And in here, I just did a brown black key paste with the carbon black. And although the day before actually I did do that, so this is all done here, but I didn't like this, so I had this broken WoodUBend, and I'll show you. And I cut it out. This is how it was. And I decided that I would paint this and put it on top. And this too. Hi Marie, how are you? And to me, this looked better than this. So I'm going to first pour the liquid gold, liquid glass, put it aside, and then we'll paint these together. And then I have a small project that we can do. So remember, this is the Tri-Art liquid glass that we've tried before, and I'm just going to pour it in. And hopefully I have enough. And let it settle. Hopefully it won't leak. Let me just... Hey Betty! How's your day? Were you out in the garden? Hazel is a gardener. I did not know that. So I'm just pouring this on. Now normally I would have used, if I didn't have this resin, I would have used the real resin, the art resin. And I just want to make sure that it's covering up everywhere. And it looks hazy right now, but I'm hoping... Oh, you learned from Betty. Betty, I just told Hazel, post your pictures of your garden. And if you have any tips and tricks on gardening, in the Walls and More people with the paintbrushes. I think if Gwendolyn comes on, remind me, or if you see her on, remind me to ask her, or please ask her yourself. Oh, I see a little bit here that didn't fill up. I'm just going to move it a little bit and then move it back just to make sure the whole area is covered. And luckily I have no bubbles. Oh, she's on? Oh, Hazel is your stepmother. Oh, okay. All right. I just covered this back up because we're not going to use it. Well, between, thank you for sprinkling. Betty, if Gwendolyn is on, can you ask her to post the page? Gwendolyn, I didn't even see you. How are you, my friend? I've missed you. You're so quiet. That's unusual. Betty, Gwendolyn, can you post the page for people, Walls and More people with paintbrushes, please? Let me just put this away, and then we'll get going with this. This will rest until tomorrow, and hopefully it will be clear and we can add the WoodUBend. Now, let me just show you for those that don't know. Oh, you've been in... Oh, I'm so sorry, Gwendolyn. What did you do to your back? Yeah, I know. I want vegetables. No, it takes about... Well, yes, it does, but it doesn't. It depends how thick you put it. But typically, I would leave it, Marie, for 24 hours. That's not good, Gwendolyn. What did you do to throw your back out? Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I cut these, and you can still use this. And I did one section at a time. And if you don't know what WoodUBend is, and I'm sure everybody does, it's they're a range of appliques that and trims that work just like wood. You can paint them, stain them, drill them, sand them, but when you heat them up, you can cut them. You can heat them up with a heat gun, like I'm using, or a griddle, or a hairdryer. It takes longer with a hairdryer. Marie, the reason I'm using this particular liquid glass is because it's ready-made. So now I'm just cutting, and you can't do that with wood. So I'm just doing this to show you how you can use it. And then when it's cool, like this one already is, you can sand it. Oh, I saw the pictures, I think, of those. Wow. Wow. Hazel mentioned a grow bag. What's a grow bag? Hi, Lynn. Why? That's weird. You're an admin on there. Okay, thanks for trying, Gwendolyn. Take care of your back. So as you can see, I've sanded both. Now we're just going to paint them. I'm going to move these out of the way because I don't need them. And I started off, if I recall correctly, with oh, okay. And and how do you use them? I'm just going to paint this. Just like we painted the other one. And it'll be all ready, hopefully, for tomorrow. And I can't remember what order I did things in, but it's okay if they're slightly different. And we'll paint the second one. The project that we're going to work on was 5. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to go to the nursery. I didn't go last week. Oh, okay. And you just add the seeds or add what you want to do to them? I shall have to get some. Okay, so this one is done. Oh, wow. Maybe I'll go get some. Do you then put the tomato plants from Costco in those bags? In those, Oh, I don't care how good they look, as long as we get some. I love tomatoes. I love the smell of touching. Hello, Delissa. How are you? I was thinking about you this morning. I watched some of your, part of your live. How are you doing today? You just missed us pouring some liquid glass into, well, I wish I could bring the book back. It's like a picture. If you use for tomatoes, make sure it's a deep one, not the 5-gallon. So not the 5-gallon. Okay, I'll try and remember that. All right, let me just dry these. No, I didn't know. The leaves are so... Oh, I see. I see. Okay, I think these are dry. Then I think I added some of the blue. Just very, very lightly. And even if these look slightly, what? Diesel gasoline? And skunk spray? Who would want that? I'm going to hang up on this person because I'm not answering. Oh, well, it hung up. It knows it's, my phone knows it's spam. Even if these aren't, oh, you do? The project I was going to do was And I am going to do it, but not quite the same. I was talking to Solly Joe about a month ago, and we were just talking about things, and she said, why don't you do, and she sent me a copy of this this glass bottle that Mihai did. And I said, I feel weird copying because usually I don't copy. And she told me her actual words, don't be stupid, Rima. Just do it. Well, we've done other things instead of that. And, oops. Let me just get this out. I just want to wash my paintbrush. And I was looking at the video this morning and I decided I will do my own version. We'll leave these to dry, and then tomorrow we will add these on to the WoodUBend. And hopefully I won't use them. Yeah, well, actually, the way he did it was really nice, but I might not do everything he did. I'm going to do my own. I'm going to show you where I'm going to stop, and then you tell me what you think. Okay, so these will be ready for tomorrow. So I'm going to leave